Hello all, welcome in this video session. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. How to get the purchase order list, GR list or SCS list along with initiator and approver, ID and date. Okay. So for this there is a transaction code, customized transaction code for our company specific ZMM_004, that is fill plan code and fill date. Okay. I'm just going to execute this transaction code ZMM_004. Okay, here if you have purchase order document number, you can upload the list from here. Okay, if you have multiple options, then upload from clipboard or fill here. Okay, or if you don't have any purchase order list, then fill the plan code and created on how much and how much date. Okay, and similarly you can if you want to good receipt details, you have good receipt document number, or if you do not have a document numbers, then fill the plan code and posting date. Similarly, service entry sheet, you can fill the plan code and created on the date, you will get the data. Okay, I am just want to get the purchase order list of my plan code 3002 and in between 1st February 2022 31st March 2020. Okay, I'm just going to execute this report. Okay, I'm just getting this. I have get this list. Okay, this is the purchase order number. This is the creation date. Okay, this is the created by the user who has created this purchase order. Okay, this is the plan code. Okay, this is the approved by. Okay, this is approved date. See, these are the purchase order which are yet not approved, because if this purchase order here approved, then the system will show the approver ID and approver date. Okay, so this is a very nice transaction code in our company developed by our consultant. Okay, so you can get the record for the certain periods. Okay, if you go in the data, the change layout, you don't have much more option here. Okay, so you can sort this purchase order based on the creation dates, like the descending orders or ascending orders. Okay, so based on the dates criteria, you can identify. Okay, so if you want to get the regard of the purchase order which yet not approved and pending in certain IDs, certain competent authorities IDs, then you can get the regard like this. Okay, so this is all about how can you get the purchase order data based on these criteria, like approved or not approved, who's approver. Okay, so or the planning team or the material management team, this transaction code is very useful. Okay, for example, if I just want to open this purchase order which is yet not approved, then system will not. Okay, so system is not going to display much record. Okay, here you can display this purchase order using ME23 and go in the release strategy. You will get the data of who is PO is approved or not, if R1 means initiated or not, are still lying in the inbox. Okay, so this is the transaction code which is ZMM_004. You will get the data of purchase orders, good receipt and service entry sheet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like for motivation, and if you're still not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share this knowledge with your colleagues and friends. Okay, if you have any query in your mind or any suggestion in your mind, please mention in the comment section, and also reach us at erpsapteam1@gmail.com. Okay, Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Keep smiling. Bye bye. See you in the next video.